Grab yourself a drink, something cold or warm depending on your mood. I've got an iced coffee here. And let's jump into a bit of cleaning together. Whether it's a deep clean or just a quick tidy up, we're going to make it happen. So, grab your cleaning essentials and let's get started. As summer approaches, it's the perfect time to declutter and freshen up your home. Nothing feels better than walking into a clean space, especially as the days get longer and the weather warms up. First, me. I had a whole list of things to do today, but now that everything's in its place, it feels amazing. A fresh, clean home really sets the tone for the new season. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more cleaning motivation. Okay, let's start with something simple. Changing the bed sheets. I'm swapping out the cozy, thicker sheets for something lighter since the weather's getting warmer. It's always nice to start cleaning with something small like this because you can check it off right away, and by the time you're done, you'll have a few loads of laundry already in progress. Trust me, there's always a mountain of laundry to tackle, and today is no different. Is it just me? Or does anyone else get a little thrill from crossing off a few loads of laundry in one go? There's something so satisfying about tackling that pile and seeing it shrink. And when the weather's nice, I love hanging my clothes outside to dry. It just feels so much more fulfilling than using the dryer. The kitchen always seems to be the heart of the mess, so I like to start here. Once this space is clean, it sets the tone for the rest of the house. First things first, I cleared off the counters. Nothing feels better than a fresh, clutter-free space. While I was at it, I got the dishwasher running so the dishes could clean while I tackled everything else. Next up was the sink. There's just something so satisfying about scrubbing it down and seeing it shine. And a little trick I love? Filling it with warm water and a splash of scented cleaner. It makes the whole house smell fresh in no time. Then came the oven, my least favorite part. No matter how hard I scrub, those trays never look brand new again. If anyone has a magic hack for this, let me know because I could definitely use it. After that, I wiped down the stove and cabinets. It's wild how much dust and grime build up over time without you even realizing it. A quick, deep clean always makes such a difference. Finally, I vacuumed and mopped the floors. There's something about that last step that makes the whole kitchen feel done. And just like that, one room down, on to the next. The living room is the heart of the home, so keeping it tidy makes a huge difference. I always start by picking up any clutter, magazines, remote controls, and anything else that's out of place. Just clearing the surfaces instantly makes the space look neater. Next, I wipe down the coffee table and any shelves. It's surprising how much dust can collect in just a few days. A quick dusting and a wipe make everything look fresh again. I also give the sofa a good shake to smooth out the cushions so it looks nice and inviting. Then, it's time to vacuum. I make sure to go over the rug under the coffee table and along the edges of the room where dust tends to hide. It's so satisfying seeing the floor look spotless afterward. One thing I love doing is opening the windows for a few minutes while I clean. Letting in some fresh air makes the whole space feel lighter, especially in the summer. And as a final touch, I like to use a bit of fabric spray on the sofa and curtains. It's such an easy way to keep the room smelling great. Small habits like these make the living room feel refreshed without spending hours cleaning. All right, time to freshen up the bathroom. I always start with the bathtub because it tends to get the most buildup. A good scrub makes a huge difference. And honestly, there's nothing better than stepping into a sparkling clean tub. Next, I wipe down the sink and countertops. Water spots and toothpaste splatters build up fast. so giving everything a quick clean instantly makes the space feel fresher. The mirror gets a wipe down too. It's a small step, but it makes the whole bathroom look brighter. For the toilet, I make sure to disinfect the seat, handle, and all those little spots that often get overlooked. A quick scrub inside the bowl, and it's good as new. The shower is usually the last thing I tackle. If you have glass doors, keeping them streak-free can be a challenge, but a quick wipe after each shower makes a huge difference. Once everything is clean, I like to add a finishing touch, maybe lighting a candle or using a fresh scented spray. It's a small detail, but it makes the bathroom feel extra inviting. As summer rolls in, it's the perfect time to switch out your winter clothes for lighter, cooler ones. Take a quick look through your closet and pull out any heavy jackets or sweaters you haven't worn in months. If you've got items you no longer wear, consider donating them to a local charity. It's an easy way to declutter while helping others. Don't forget to wipe down your closet shelves too. Dust can build up quickly, so a quick cleaning can make everything feel fresher. This simple task helps create a more organized, clean space that feels great every time you open your closet door. If you work from home or have a study area, it's common for things to pile up quickly. Take a few minutes each day to tidy up your desk, sort through papers, put away pens and notebooks, and organize any loose items. I find that when my workspace is clear, it's much easier to focus and get things done. A quick vacuum of the floor can also make a huge difference, especially if you've been eating snacks or working late into the night. By clearing away the clutter, you're not just making the space look nicer, but you're also creating a more productive environment. A clean desk can help reduce stress and make it easier to find what you need when you need it. Wasn't me. Just a few minutes of tidying up can have a big impact on how you feel and how much work you get done. Finally, as the weather warms up, it's the perfect time to give your garden a little love. Start by clearing away any weeds, dead plants, or debris from the past season. A quick rake will help tidy up the soil and make it easier to plant fresh flowers or veggies. If you're planting flowers, choose bright, sunny varieties like marigolds or sunflowers to bring a pop of color. For a vegetable garden, try planting tomatoes, peppers, or herbs like basil and mint. They're easy to grow and perfect for summer meals. Take a few minutes to water the area, and you'll have a blooming garden in no time, ready for the sunny months ahead. And just like that, the house is sparkling, and I'm feeling so much lighter. There's honestly nothing better than crossing off a to-do list and seeing everything come together. I really hope this video gave you the boost you needed to get started on your own cleaning today. Thanks so much for joining me. There's something so satisfying about getting things done together, even if it's just virtually. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new one. I've got plenty more cleaning motivation coming your way. Until then, take care and happy cleaning.